Creating the post table. Name of the table will be post. Number of columns will be 5 and click on create. The first column will be the post ID. Then it will be auto increment and also a primary key. The second one is posted by. That one will int. And also we have the post, that's the text itself. So the type over here will be long text, which is this one. And also we have the post image. The post image will be varchar. Number of characters will be 255. And now we also have the posted on. That's the time that the post was being created. This one will be the date time. And the default over here will be current timestamp. Then click on save.